Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the favorite big girl, Nazom, aka Nick Jewel, aka Nazom baby, aka Nazom darling, aka a beauty like Nazom. Alright, so if you're tuning into this channel, thank you for stopping by. Alright, on today's video, I am going to teach you guys the numbers in Igbo language, meaning how to pronounce numbers and meaning in Igbo, alright, English and Igbo, alright. So this is numbers and its meaning in Igbo, like how Igbo people number their numbers in Igbo language. I'm making sense. Alright, so if you are really interested in this video, click the subscribe button and keep on watching.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me.
Alright guys, welcome back. Okay, Igbo kwenu ya, Igbo kwenu ya, Igbo kwezueno. Alright, so Igbo kwenu means Igbo people, you know, our enchantment, yeah, whatever. Whether you know, but you always hear this, okay? So today I'm going to list out numbers and their meaning in Igbo language. Alright, so this is beginner friendly, like everybody can be able to relate. Okay, now 1 is called Otu. 1 is Otu. So I'll be calling them. If I call 1, I will call the meaning in Igbo. If I call one, the other, I'll call 2, I will say the meaning in Igbo, like that. So I'm going to number 1 to 20. Are you ready? Are you ready to learn this? Yes, I know you're ready. So let's go. 1, Otu. 2, Abua. 3, Ato. 4, like this. Ano. 5, Ise. 5 fingers. Ise, it's called Ise. 6, Isi. 6, Isi. 7, Asa. 8, Asato. 9, Itete. 8, yes. 9, 10, Iri. 10, like your 10 fingers, you know, counting it ahead. 10, Iri. 11, Iri note. 11, Iri note. 12, Iri na abua. That means and 1 and 2. So that's how you say Iri na abua. 13, Iri na ato. 14, Iri na ano. 15, Iri na ise. 16, Iri na isii. 17, Iri na asaa. 18, iri na asatọ, iri na asatọ. 19, iri na iteghete, 19, iri na iteghete. 20, iri abụọ, iri abụọ, iri abụọ. Yes, we have counted from 1 to 20. Okay, now let's see how we go back. Okay, let us read it like a song, recite it like a song. It will help you to learn these numbers very well and perfectly fluent with it. Okay, so let's go. 1 otu, 2 abụọ, 3 atọ, 4 anọ, 5 ise, 6 isii, 7 asaa, 8 asatọ, 9 iteghete, 10 iri, 11 iri na otu, 12 iri na abụọ, 13 iri na atọ, 14 iri na anọ, 15 iri na ise, 16 iri na isii, 17 iri na asaa, 18 iri na asatọ, 19 iri na iteghete, 20 iri abụọ. Yes. If you are enjoying this video, please let me know on the comment section, okay? Because I am making sure that everybody learns this Igbo language. These numbers, you have to learn how to say numbers in Igbo language, okay? Yes, let's say it again. 1 otu, 2 abụọ, 3 atọ, 4 anọ, 5 ise, 6 isii, 7 asaa, 8 asatọ, 9 iteghete, 10 iri, 11 iri na otu, 12 iri na abụọ, 13 iri na atọ, 14 iri na anọ, 15 iri na ise, 16 iri na isii, 17 iri na asaa, 18 iri na asatọ, 19 iri na iteghete, 20 iri abụọ, 20 iri abụọ. Alright guys, so this is where we will draw the curtain to today's video. Alright, so if you enjoy this particular video and if you are learning Igbo language in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Alright, give it a thumbs up, like it, okay, and share your comments. Let me know what you have to say on the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, kindly say it on the comment section. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.